Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. So far in this series, we have explored AI governance, the risks around AI, the principles that guide responsible use, the framework that supports it, and roles involved. Now it's time to look ahead. What does the future of AI governance really looks like? And what does it mean for your work? As AI adoption continues to grow across products, services, and organizations, governance will move from the background to the center of attention. Governments will step in more strongly, not to slow innovation but to make sure AI is used safely and fairly. We will also see AI audits becoming normal, much like financial audits today. Teams won't just ask, "Does this system work?" They'll ask, "Is it fair, explainable, secure, and compliant?" Alongside this, new roles will become common. AI ethics specialists, AI auditors, and governance leads will support teams the same way quality or security roles do now. With these changes, regulations will play a much bigger role. Organizations using AI, especially in high-risk areas like hiring, lending, healthcare, or public services, will need to follow clear and strict rules. Compliance will no longer be optional or something handled at the last minute. It will be built into how products are designed, developed, and released. Just like data privacy today, AI governance will become a basic expectation of professional teams. So, what does this mean for you as a professional? Staying relevant will require new skills, but not deep technical coding skills. First, you need to understand AI basics. That means knowing at high level how AI systems learn, what data they rely on, and where the limitations are. Second, ethics and responsible AI principles become essential. This is about fairness, transparency, accountability, and asking who might be affected by an AI decision. Third, risk thinking becomes critical. You need the habit of asking what could go wrong here and who carries that impact. And finally, collaboration matters more than ever. AI governance is not owned by one team. It requires people from product, engineering, legal, compliance, and business working together. If you are a Scrum Master or an Agile coach, your role becomes even more important in this future. You are not expected to be an AI expert or a lawyer. Your value is in shaping how teams work. You help teams follow responsible practices without slowing them down. You bring governance into daily work, not as extra paperwork, but as a shared habit. You guide teams to ask the right questions during planning, reviews, and retrospectives. Questions like, have we considered risks? Do we understand how this AI makes decisions? And are we building this responsibly? When you look at the bigger picture, the future of AI is not just about faster models or smarter tools. It's about responsible innovation. Teams and leaders who understand governance won't block progress. They lead it, because trust is becoming just as important as speed. So, here's the takeaway. Start learning, start asking better questions. Don't just build AI, govern it. Because the future belongs to those who build responsibly and help others do the same.